nut on that one. Uh-oh, there she is. My socket back. Motor mounts. Made sure that was tight before. Gotta do this shifter fucker right here. Two 12mm wrenches or 11mm wrenches. Sorry, right here. Did you get an exhaust gasket in this?
Yes, I got two. Jesus.
Almost got me in that bolt though. I don't see any other gaskets.
Uh-oh. There was, I bought something for exhaust. Exhaust gasket. This is another one of
These
the...
are exhaust gaskets,
they're both...
but they're not the right ones.
That's the oil pan gasket. And this
Intake gasket.
intake gasket. So no exhaust.
I think it's got a ring on it right here. I think it don't need a gasket. Feel that raised ring?
Yeah, I do. Is that metal? Is it a crush washer? Alright.
Reusable type of thing.
Let's hope so. So otherwise we're gonna make noise.
Honda was good at like that, dude. That's why their gaskets are all metal.
I didn't know that.
Reuse them.
I had no idea that metal gas. Well,
unless they're rotted out, you just reuse them. Honda was always good at that. Chevy became, in the later years, reusable gaskets. And then you got like Ford. Do not ever try to reuse a Ford gasket.
Ford. You know, I have a problem with Ford. I'll tell you why. Because they poisoned the Indians in Jersey. They had a big plant. The last of the they had this like hilly Indian native. He did good for his workers. Workers were happy.
Yeah.
But
So slow.
it's
Not
slow.
that much of a car weight.
Well, it's slow. Yeah, I guess that's what it is.
Yeah.
That's positive. That's negative. You sure about that?
No, that's positive over there.
Oh, wrong way. The positive's always with the rubber boot. Yeah? No? I'm hearing something.
A little bit.
It doesn't take much power. There's no power in this thing. Everything's in that manual. Oh. Bzzz. Like a mosquito from the 80s appears.
Make sure it's in neutral.
Yep. Think
Might
we're
take a little bit to get fuel. Cycle the key a couple times because it does have an electric pump.
But you want me to cycle first, like
Yeah, just on off. Don't hit the key. No.
Don't hit the
start
key.
it. Just on where the lights come on, and that cycles the fuel pump.
The thing is, it's like, okay, hold on. The battery's dead?
Yeah.
Well, I guess it's been sitting long enough. I might have something. Hold on. I think I got something. Where's this one? This goes in here. See if this thing ignition's funky.
Yeah.
Wait. Okay. Well, this is useless.
You got a battery charger here, don't you?
Probably. Look, the lights are on, right? I mean, but nobody's home.
Is that the brake light switch that's on?
Yeah. Uh-oh. The lights on? Headlights on?
The headlights on, plugged in. The taillights are staying on?
Taillights
still?
on, yeah. Taillights still on. Unless that's just the... No, it looks like they're on.
Brakes, did they get brighter?
No. Brake light switch, okay. Good luck finding one of those. Yeah.
They are?
Yeah. On. Off. On, off. On. Okay. A little WD or no? No, it has adjustments, okay. Very good. See? They made it for service, not for replacement.
Off?
It's off. Yeah, they're off.
I'm gonna pull my truck up behind it.
I feel like the connection's too loose. Oh! What was that? What's that? Starter fluid? A little starter fluid? Yeah? Maybe right down the hatch?
Make sure it's catching fuel.
Okay. What?
Your key is so f***ed up.
So the ignition?
Yes.
The ignition, it was fine before. Wow. So it's not the...
Still ain't spraying no fuel in it.
It's the solenoid? How do I replace this?
It's the whole key, like right there, key on, the lights aren't working. You gotta wiggle the key a little bit.
Yeah, so it's the whole ignition switch. This is crazy. I mean, can I put push button start and just go around, bypass this?
Yeah.
If it's not working, we make it work. We then have to push button off too.
Toggle switch.
Toggle switch.
Toggle switch to one.
Ignition's fucking you up. As soon as I let off the ignition, it died.
All right, let's bypass this. Well, I don't know if we can tonight, but at least we got something going on here. So literally the ignition has to be replaced. If I can find one. I doubt I will. They don't really have them anymore. Yeah. Sounds good.
Let it go.
I think the ignition is trying
Carburetor's
to...
wonky.
Carburetor's wonky? He said he rebuilt it.
It's alive though.
It's alive. It needs tweaking. Maybe it needs tweaking. It needs the friction, yeah. The computer can't work otherwise.
It's gotta warm up a little. The choke's probably not working.
Sounds good. Wait,
First start.
So can you open the fuel tank with that key? I'm a practical guy. If there's a way to like override it and bypass it, put a switch, I'll do that.
Go on eBay or Amazon, race car board with the push start button, the red switch, and all. Just get that. And we'll make it work.
Okay.
What's she fucking flooding out?
No.
What? From what?
What's that?
From what?
Whatever.
We'll put some of this fuel tank cleaner. This is like fuel system and tank cleaner.
If it'll start again. Oh shit, you got the key.
Yeah, here. You need the carburetor cover on there, yeah. Sounds good though. It sounds pretty healthy.
Underneath it, yeah. Tweaking
The
on something.
accelerator pump. Go fire it up. Don't hit the brake pedal. You'll feel the key just when as you're turning it. When the light, you'll just.
Starter's fine. This thing's just a beast. It doesn't want to go.
Still doing it.
That's the carburetor.
Is that gas?
Shut it off. Floats are absolutely stuck. Something in that carburetor not right. Go fire it up again, Corey. Or no,
Let me see if I can try.
yeah, you got it. He's like, ah, it's just like when I parked it. It's already doing it. That carburetor's off.
It's idling mighty high, no?
Who did the carburetor?
The guy, the asshole who sold it to me, now he said he rebuilt it. He didn't.
He might have stuff. Something ain't done or something ain't right and the floats aren't working. This is specifically, that one right there is specifically fuel, and that float, the needle and valve seat, isn't connected to anything.
Well, these are original. This is the original Cayenne carburetor, right? It's not an aftermarket. Probably.
That's an absolute muddy mess down in there.
Muddy mess. No wonder it's. Oh, what is that?
Just grime. The whole fucking hole's full.
So rebuild my ass, basically.
Yeah, pretty much. See down in that hole?
Yeah, it's grimy.
Oh yeah. That carb's got to come off.
You gotta be kidding me.
What are they?
Go
What
on
is it?
Amazon. Get one of them Chinese ones.
I found a Weber. There's a Weber car, but that would be stupid because we did all the vacuum lines already. What, the Chinese what? Rebuild kit or the
No,
carb?
identical carburetor.
Okay, wait, let's see. Maybe you're right. Let me take a look. It's a digital key?
Do you really want to put a digital?
No,
sign?
No, this is so mechanical and analog. We gotta leave it with the original kind of. This doesn't look like it, or does it? You know, the problem is you have to find the car, but I don't think you could just find it. So
So
easy.
no, you'd have to probably.
They
A
have the
new
ju-
one? You know?
They got that one.
specific mode.
Yeah.
Little fucker with just the one switch and the one button.
Ooh. Let me see this. This is push button start.
I'll just share it to you.
Yeah, let me see. That'll get. Gladly. That looks sick.
Race car things and a little Honda.
Well, whatever goes.
Little Honda.
Well, the carb. All right, let me see if I can find the carb.
You might have to put in for the specific mode. Send an email to the people at Holly. See if they make them.
No, for this thing,
You never
Holly
know.
does only American. They never did anything for Japanese.
You never know.
They
Or you just go EFI Sniper.
that's what I'm saying. Holly Sniper would never do this for a 4-cylinder. They barely do.
Yeah, they make it for everything.
For
You
everything?
program it to the car you're putting it on. It's universal.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
that would be nice, but that's a big upgrade. That's like $1,000.
It's a big upgrade. $394 for the Weber.
For the kit, for the Weber kit, yeah. But then, no, put the Weber, by the way, in the winter, it'll have a problem starting. In the summer, you have to tune it to start. It becomes like you have to get, yeah, I mean, if that's all that's left.
Pushing it, whatever ITDs in it.
What?
Listen, you're gonna play hard now. That's a hard thing to find people to even with.
Yeah, I can imagine that one.
Especially that vacuum nightmare. There was a guy way the out in Otigo. That's where the carburetor went that was for Junior's truck. 'Cause it's sitting here running beautiful, it's just flooding itself out.
Go ahead, it's a Tweety.
He closed.
Did he close down? You've probably seen a lawnmower or something with this car on it.
Right? We could pull this carb off of a new motorcycle.
Listen, you don't want me fucking. Not those. I don't even mess with Chevy 4 barrels or nothing. Most I'll do is motorcycles and snowmobiles and lawnmowers. They're easy. These, one wrong move and you are done.
It's that sensitive?
Yes. There's little balls and springs and check valves. And you got to know where to set the jets. Like I've already played with these. This one I can almost put back a rid because there's so much rust.
I could probably ask my buddy Logan and he could fucking do it.
Right there's originally where that one was, and right there's originally where that one was. That whole carburetor top's got to come off. I mean, it's not overly complicated. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 millimeters, and that bitch is hanging in your hand. Well, maybe that means the gasket never set. I'm gonna try to pull the top off with it. It's still on the car. There's a couple little complicated over here I gotta deal with.
It ran healthy.
It did. It sounded good.
Is that the only thing holding that thing on there? No, it's almost out.
Ooh, that's a tight. That O-ring is tight as hell.